Are you going to say hi?
No. Do you want before me?
Me. I'm sorry.
I got sensitive teeth at the front.
Ice cream up here, like somewhere.
Ice cream?
Yeah, but it's just like some weird colourful lines.
You think that's ice cream?
Are you still recording?
Mhm.
Oh, damn it. I shouldn't have said that.
Don't actually think I'm going to burp for a while.
Subtitles. Seriously, you burped in my face loads earlier.
I'm trying to burp. It was like 6 or more times.
Chug it. Hey Zoe,
I can't this in the can. Pig.
you can have some of mine.
Wait, I've got to finish this. Do you want my saves?
You haven't burped though, so how can I have your saves?
I've got Pepsi Max here.
Yeah, okay, I'll have your saves.
I'm drinking. Oh, go away. Drinking it now anyway.
You know, this is all on camera.
Yep.
I'm going on YouTube.
I'm the one in it.
Saves! No saves!
Can you open this one for me? Wait.
Oh my god, I think I just dripped that on myself.
My iPod don't slip. Oh.
Oh, there's the iPod.
Here. Oh, I'm taking this off.
It's like a Moam wrapper. Just like
And I burp as I think it's going to make me burp.
It's busier, so it'll probably...
Will it?
Oh my god, I need to burp again.
Can't burp. I'm going to cry.
Oh my god, Zoe. We're counting on you. I'm not giving you my Martin. Okay?
That's your dad's anyway.
Where's my daddy's?
Oh, I think my trousers are too tight.
Oh god.
They won't undo anyway because they're fake.
Oh, what's wrong? Mine are real. This is all on camera and I can't see.
Mine are like leggings.
We have to make sure... Zoe, don't drink it all.
I got to!
You don't, no, don't, because if we sound stupid on the recording, then we might need some more to make you burp.
I can't burp. The
How long
moment
have
I
you been
need to
recording?
burp, I can't burp.
How long have you been recording?
2 minutes.
You need to stop the recording. Okay, you do that, scary kids on bikes. Oh, they're not on bikes, they're just running.
Oh, it's fizzy.
Go on, Nat. I was gonna wave.
I was already going to burp. Oh my god, my trousers are really tight.
Mine
I feel
are.
sick.
Mine are really loose. I feel sick anyway. You made me eat really fast.
Did
Do
burp
it again.
Yeah!
Oh my god, that was a big one. Not the burp. Oh, that was a big burp.
It sounds better in person.
I sound better in person. I sound
We're going to have a really English accent to him, aren't we?
really British. I sound more British than you though because I say everything.
I'm from like London blood.
You're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna talk like this. But I talk like this because I'm normal.
She had a fly on me, I think I got bit.
Yeah, I had an ant on my hand earlier in my kitchen. I was like, how the hell did that get there? I don't want to swear because it's gonna go on YouTube.
Now I'm burping. Oh my god. I'm afraid of doing the
Zoe?
sticky burp. Oh my god, I think I should stop now. Okay. I feel sick.